Most critical skills permit refusals happen not because people are unqualified but because of small technical mistakes. Let's talk about real scenarios and how to handle them. Scenario 1. My job title is not on the critical skills list. This does not automatically means refusals. Check whether your salary meets the higher threshold, which is 64,000. If it does, your role may still qualify. The duties must still reflect a highly skilled position. Scenario 2. My salary includes bonuses or allowances. This is a common misunderstanding. Only basic salary counts. If your base salary alone does not meet the threshold, the permit will be refused even if your total package looks really high. Scenario 3. My employer is a startup. Startups can sponsor CSEP if they're properly registered, tax compliant and actively trading. Make sure your company documents, revenue registration and trading activity are clear and up to date before applying. Scenario 4. My employer wants to give me a 1-year contract first. This will not work for CSEP. The contract must be at least 2 years. Without this, the application cannot be approved. Scenario 5. My role sounds junior, but my responsibilities are senior. Titles and duties matter equally. Ensure that the job description submitted reflects skilled responsibilities and matches the correct SOC code and the salary level. Scenario 6. My employer thinks CSEP is complicated and he's delaying it. Solution. Explain that under the new online system, the employer and the employee both have clear sections to complete. Delays often come from hesitation, not difficulty. Poorly prepared application cause refusal, so preparation matters. CSEP applications succeed when eligibility, salary and documentation align perfectly. If you do not live in Ireland or are not planning to move here, this video is not for you. This page is created for people already living in Ireland who need clarity on immigration, work permits and other kinds of applications. Every situation is unique and some cases require one-on-one consultation. I've created this page because throughout my own journey, there were too many gray areas and no clear answers online. Follow along for more updates, news and clear explanations on all kinds of immigration applications in Ireland.